Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we have the IntelliChlor Plus and LT IC. I think they're still calling it the IC, but it's the 30. So super cool, super unique. We're going to dive into it and show you why this is for your salt pool. All right, and we're back. So guys, Pentair has redone everything there is to know about salt systems. They have come out with this really cool, this is their 40. So you guys are traditionally used to the IC40. This is their newest version of it. We're not going over this one today. We're going to go over the 30. So they measure the 40, 60, 15, 20, 30 by how many gallons of water roughly is what you have. So this is roughly up to 40,000 gallons. The 30 is up to 30,000 gallons. The 30 is probably going to be the most used salt cell by Pentair, we feel, this year, because it's such a good niche between the 20 and the 40. 30 is going to cover a lot, and it's a solid product. So I'm going to dive into this one and show you what this is all about. So this product is actually very unique because this 30 is a combo kit at a pretty good price point. It comes with the cell and the transformer, which is a very good idea with Pentair because it's very confusing sometimes for people to get one that when they think that's all they need is just the cell. But no, you have to have something powering the cell. And also that powering the cell has to have the communication capabilities back and forth to the cell and back and forth if you have an automation system such as an Easy Touch or an IntelliCenter. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is a new installation. They actually give you this handy dandy template of how far to cut your plumbing, which is kind of cool. So if you see the bottom one, that's probably going to be your IC40, and this upper one is going to be your 30. So, but I'm guessing right now because this is my first time opening this thing. The second cool thing they give you on every single unit now is a cell cleaning stand with an O-ring. So no more having to buy that $30, $40 salt cell cleaning deal. This thing will actually prop up there and it'll actually hold your salt cell for you while you acid clean it. Pretty awesome they give this to you now, guys. Like really, really cool. So as discussed, I'm going to take the big beast out first. Transformer. It's pretty heavy. It's a big transformer. This is what powers the salt cell. This comes included in this box. I think it's very unique. I think that's the only one that they might do this for. So pretty awesome. I'm going to put it back in there, but this is your power transformer. I want to pull out the cell. Here is your salt cell, guys. I'm going to put it this way so it stands up. Still got to fall over, isn't it? Sure it's. I'll hold it. Anyways, this is it. Got your LCD LED display screen, which will actually show you the flow, the chlorination, and any warning. And it actually shows you like, not like high, low, whatever nonsense that they've always had before. It actually shows you like readouts of stuff. It'll give you your total salt, like the exact total salt. It'll give you any actual errors. It'll tell you the life hours of the cell, which is very first for Pentair, which we love. That way you could actually, if you have this thing, you can tell how long it's been running. The cell-coated plates are only meant to last for X amount of hours anyways. So that way, when it gets to the end of the life cycle, it's pretty given if it's not chlorinating properly, if it's not doing its job. Well, you're on the end cycle of your hours. Maybe it's time to get a new one. So, but other than that, totally water resistant, which is great. And it's fully serviceable. So they have this clip at the top that you can pop out and then service. You can replace the screen. You can replace the flow sensor. You can replace a lot of things from the top here. So it's easy to work on, guys. And we will have complete breakdown videos on this cell and the IC40, which is also the same footprint as the 60, on how to replace all the parts in this thing, because it's so easy that we love this cell because of how easy it is to work on, because we all know how pools are. Everything usually breaks on a pool and it sometimes can be a pain in the butt. Pentair has made it easy for the homeowner, for the pool guy, for whoever's watching this video. I think I might even have my 9-year-old daughter coming here for the video to show you guys how to do this, because that's how easy this is. So again, this is the 30, but I want to show you about this, which is really unique. There's a difference between the 30 and the 40. So everybody's used to the IC40. We've had that cell in production forever. I want you to see the sizes here. See how they're not the same? Which means this will not just easily slide into the same unions as the old 40. That's what you think, but it will. They give you a set of unions. The unions have never changed. So if you have an existing IC40 salt cell, you can use the same unions, slide that one out, put this one in, works great. They give you this adapter piece to make the cell a touch longer, to make it exactly the same footprint as the old IC40. So this screws on, and then now it perfectly screws onto your equipment pad and makes it the exact same footprint, which was no cutting, gluing, any erector set building that you have going on. This will actually be perfect for you guys. So we love this thing. I think this is the perfect little guy for most pools out there, guys. I mean, this thing will rock. We're probably going to test this on one of our pools here and give you some updates about chlorine output, production, and everything else on a standard play pool. But I don't see a reason why most pools wouldn't need this 30 versus the 40. The 40 is a great cell, don't get me wrong, and so is the 60. But in our personal opinion here at ePoolSupply, every time we usually sell a 60 or install, we see that this is dialed down. So rather than the output is rather going to be at 100%, it's going to be like a 40. So realistically, you're going to be working at the same as this thing anyways. So why not save yourself a ton of money and get one of these? I mean, this is a great product, you guys. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between this and this, and the fact that the 30 will retrofit straight into the 40. So I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thank you for watching. Keep look out for all of our other videos coming out, because we have a lot more videos coming, especially on this salt cell, because these things are unique and they are ready to hit the market in the pool industry. We've already gotten a lot of positive feedback. Pentair has done a really good job on these salt cells. So again, like, subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching. Come on, shop at ePoolSupply. We appreciate you guys. Have a good day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.